Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is short question using instructions, and this is your question number 10. Okay, let's look at the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 5, subject English, topic SQ or short question using instructions, term half yearly. This is your lecture number 27. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 27 and you don't have any homework for today's class. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my phone number. Okay, let's start. We will learn 2 questions today. At first we will read out the questions, then we will give the answers. Read the instructions about gardening, then answer the following questions. The instructions are given here. Point 1, select a suitable piece of land. B, prepare the soil and put fertilizer if necessary. C, make a fence around the garden. D, sow seeds or plants according to choice. Here plant is used twice, you don't get confused. Here this plant is the verb and this plants means trees, little trees or siblings. Number E, water them regularly and take out the weeds. So these are the instructions. Now there are 3 questions regarding these instructions. What can you use to enrich the soil? Number 2, why should you make a fence around the garden? Number 3, how can you maintain a garden? Now question number 2, read the instructions on making a journey by train, then answer the following questions. Point A, book the tickets. Point B, reach the station in time. C, don't put your head out of the window. D, don't eat anything from unknown passengers and keep an eye on your luggage. And E, don't get down from a running train. Get down slowly when the train stops. The questions for these instructions: what do you need to make a journey by train? Question number 2, why should you not get down from a running train? And number 3, how can you make a safe journey by train? Okay, now we will answer short question number 1. There are 3 questions. We will answer one by one. The first question is, what can you use to enrich the soil? The answer is, I can use fertilizer to enrich the soil. Dear students, you should have to keep in mind that you will answer all the questions from the instructions. Question number 2 is, why should you make a fence around the garden? Question number answer is, I should make a fence around the garden to protect the plants from animals and naughty boys. Question number 3 is, how can you maintain a garden? The answer is, I can maintain my garden by watering the plants regularly and weeding out the weeds. I have to do some other necessary works too. The students, you have to know this, that in question number 1 there are 1 marks, in question number 2 there are 2 marks, and in question number 3 there are 3 marks. So you have to answer following or keeping in mind the marks distribution also. Now we will answer short question number 2. There are 3 questions. What do you need to make a journey by train? The answer, I need the tickets to make a journey by train. Question number B, why should you not get down from a running train? Answer is, I should not get down from a running train because it may cause an accident. Number 3, how can you make a safe journey by train? The answer is, I can make a safe journey by train by taking care of my luggage without eating anything from an unknown person, and getting down slowly. So these are very essential in your practical life also. From question number 1 you can make a garden, and from question number 2 you will learn how to make a comfortable and safe journey. Okay, so my dear students, I hope that you have understood today's class very well. If you find any difficulty or any confusion, then ask me through my mobile number, and my messenger ID is also open for you. Attend the online classes regularly and watch the YouTube class. Take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.